This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by grabbing access and deciding how you'll call Jikan. Set an API key as an environment variable and keep it out of source control. Next, pick the endpoint you need, anime, manga, season, search, and form a simple GET request. Once done, issue a test request with curl or postman to see the JSON, payload, and HTTP status. This confirms connectivity. Make sure to capture rate limit headers early so your client respects throttling and avoids unexpected 429 errors. You now build the middle layer, deserialize the JSON into your app's data models, and map essential fields like titles, scores, dates, and image URLs. Because Jikan responses can omit fields, add safe accessors and defaults so your UI won't break. Once mapped, implement caching with TTL to reduce requests and add exponential backoff for retries when you hit transient errors. Also, normalize date formats and image sizes so downstream components can render consistently without conditional logic. You complete the integration by handling pagination, edge cases, and user-visible errors. Ensure next/prev links and page params are respected. Then add monitoring, log requests, response codes, and rate limit headers so you can spot spikes and regressions. If things go wrong, first check your API key, endpoint paths, and request payloads. Then retry with exponential backoff and inspect sample responses to find malformed fields. Finally, deploy slowly and watch for user reports. Iterative fixes keep your integrations stable and performant.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.